Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my usual nighttime cleaning routine, and my husband was actually home this evening, so he was able to help me out. But this is the routine that usually starts after dinner. That way the house is nice and clean and tidy before we go to bed and ready to start the next day. So this video is in collaboration with Grisel from TheFleitesLife, and she is a mom of two adorable little boys. She has a lot of inspirational and motivational cleaning videos on her channel, and I just know that you guys would love her content, so make sure to check out the link in my description box when you're done watching my video and go on over and check out her channel. This night it was just my husband, Cooper, Cash, and I having dinner. Our other two kids had dinner at their other parents' house. So we're just enjoying some lasagna, and I love spending time together as a family eating dinner. So once dinner is done, I will usually pick up all the plates from the table. On this night, my husband was home, so he was able to watch Cash for me while I cleaned up the kitchen. And I definitely don't mind doing this because I'm holding Cash all day long. So by the time my husband gets home, I'm ready to get stuff done. So I'll just wash a few of these dishes by hand. Usually I will put them in the dishwasher, but at this time our dishwasher was already full, so I had to wash all of the dishes by hand. All of the dishes are washed and put away, I'm going to use this Shine Pro Cleaner. I love to use this in my sink because it helps to get rid of hard water stains, and I find it does a really good job on things, especially like shower glass doors. It works really well on there, so if you have hard water stains, I would definitely recommend this cleaner. Going to put away any leftovers from dinner. If we have leftovers, my husband will take them for lunch the next day, or I will eat them for lunch the next day, or one of the kids will have them. And now I'm just going to use my Method all-purpose spray to clean off the top of the stove. And this is not without a few interruptions from my kids back and forth, but this is real life. And I decided to switch off, and now he is cleaning off the high chair, which is my least favorite thing to clean. quick mop over our tile floors. This is honestly not something that I do every night, but I do try to do it at least a few times a week just to help get any of the extra dirt or crumbs or stickiness off of our floors. Off of the floor in the living room, that way I can vacuum. I love to vacuum, and if I'm being completely honest, this is the second time I vacuumed our living room this day. And now it's time for a little diaper change break, and I also put on his pajamas because it's about bedtime. Spend a lot of our evenings folding laundry together, but it makes things a lot more enjoyable and 2 times as fast when you do it together. Usually we'll sit and have a conversation or just watch our kids act crazy. Throwing in another load of laundry. I will have time to wash this and then dry it on this night, and then I will fold it the next day. And last but not least, before the kids go to bed, I will change out their sheets about once a week unless they need it before then, and I always have extra clean sheets on hand. So tonight I just needed to change out Cooper's sheets, and then he was ready for bed. That is it for my simple, quick, and easy nighttime cleaning routine. Just getting things tidied up and ready for the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And my goofy kids down here, they just had to do this. They thought it was hilarious. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Gristle's video. The link to her cleaning routine will be in my description box below. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.